Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, rear step bumper, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4 power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.